you want to know how to mix my favorite mustard color? It's quite easy. Let me show you. Simply use a warm yellow, for example an Azo Yellow Deep, and a little bit of black. In this case I'm using an Oxide black, which doesn't want to come out of the tube because it's nearly empty. Okay, and now you ignore that my hand is covered in dark paint and instead concentrate on the lovely color mix we are creating. I'm mixing a bit of our yellow with a tiny bit of the black. In this way we are getting the darkest shade of today's color mix. I absolutely love this color and I'm calling it mustard yellow. And now we are going to mix two slightly lighter shades of this color. We are taking the mix we already have and just add a bit more of the yellow. And now we are having three absolutely beautiful shades of mustard yellow. And what I like to do if I find beautiful colors like this is to put them on a little paint swatch so that I have a reference for the future. And you can either put little dots of the paints you used on the paper or write the name of the colors so that you remember afterwards which kind of basic paints you've used for your color mix. I hope that you love these colors as much as I do. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a little thumbs up so that I know and can make more of them. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.